Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. So this is the third and last part of this series, my pen sketch series, and this is the last part of it, the part 3. And this is the drawing that I have done with pen sketch, like with pen, and obviously it was a gel pen. That is the best using it, and also you can use ball pen if you want, but I'm more comfortable with the gel pens. And this is how it looks like. It was a nature study that I have done. I have tried my best to do everything perfectly, but I know there are mistakes, which is quite fine because I'm still a beginner. And what if someone does mistake? No one's gonna mind, so it's okay. And um, and this is a close-up look of my drawing. I really love this place. The details of here is really beautiful, and it's looking so beautiful. I really love this place. Then this is my favorite part of this whole pen sketch, and these are all the trees background. You can see this is the house, and also some more trees, and of course there is water and reflections of each things, objects or subject, whatever you say, on the water. Reflections are important, and I was quite confused that how I should show it. In my part 2 video you have seen that I have done water things there, so I used the same experience here, and this one looks much better, but I like that one too. So this is how it looks like. I hope you will like it too. And this was the last part of this series, so I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.